Hey there, foodies and health enthusiasts. Did you know that this gorgeous purple veggie, commonly known as brinjal or eggplant, can do wonders for your health? Stick around, because in today's video, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of eating brinjal. Trust me, you're going to want to add this powerhouse to your plate. First up, brinjal is packed with nutrients. It's low in calories but rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Just 1 cup of cooked brinjal provides fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, and potassium. These nutrients help keep your body running like a well-oiled machine. One of the standout benefits of brinjal is its high fiber content. This not only supports healthy digestion, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels. That's great news for anyone managing diabetes or aiming to prevent it. Let's talk heart health. Brinjal contains antioxidants like niacin, which protects the cells in your body from damage. Plus, its potassium content helps lower blood pressure, while fiber can reduce cholesterol levels. Basically, your heart will thank you. And guess what? Brinjal is a beauty booster too. Thanks to its antioxidants, brinjal can promote healthy, glowing skin. Those compounds fight off free radicals that contribute to premature aging. Who knew skincare could be this tasty? If you're watching your weight, brinjal is your new best friend. It's super low in calories and helps you feel full for longer, thanks to that all-important fiber. Whether it's grilled, roasted, or blended into a delicious curry, brinjal can satisfy your taste buds without packing on the pounds. To sum it up, brinjal is a nutritional powerhouse that supports your heart, digestion, skin, and overall health. Plus, it's incredibly versatile in the kitchen. So, next time you're at the grocery store, grab a brinjal or two and start reaping the benefits. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health and nutrition tips. Comment below your favorite way to cook brinjal. We'd love to hear your recipes. See you next time.